Introducing the 2019 Subaru Impreza. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.